Oh,
Big Bird is tall and something small. No, no, I'm okay.
a flying clown flew. He's tall and something small. Hey, could that be Big Bird? Oh, no, it's just a giraffe. That's something tall and something tall. Oh, maybe that's him. Oh, no, that's just a mouse. That's something small and something small. Hey, now that car is small, but how could someone as tall as Big Bird fit in something so small?
Will you hurry up and look in the car?
Did you hear that? That sounded like Big Bird.
It's really small in here.
Hmm. Gee, do you think Big Bird could be in there? Yeah, I know, but it's so teeny tiny, and he's the biggest bird we know. I mean, he's so big, so really, really, really big. He's such a
Hey!
It's Big Bird.
I was getting really squished in
Yeah,
there.
we found him. It's Big Bird.
It's me.
I know you any place. 8 feet of yellow feathers that beak upon your face. Your happy Big Bird voice tells us you're the one. We found him, we found him. Our journey to Big